Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about reflection of the given object by y equals to x line. Here we are going to take y equals to x line as a mirror or axis of the reflection. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, first of all, let me take one object. Okay, let me make one triangle here. Which is going to be reflected by the line y equals to x. Okay, yeah, this is a triangle ABC, which is going to be reflected by the y equals to x line. And remember that y equals to x line always passes through this origin, always passes through the origin. Y equals to x line always passes through the origin, and that makes an angle of 45 degree with the positive x-axis. Okay, let me make the y equals to x line. Y equals to x line. Okay, here this is the line. Here this is the line which passes through the origin, and it makes an angle of 45 degree with the positive x-axis. This is just the equation for the y equals to x. And this line is going to be taken as the mirror, going to be taken as the axis of the reflection. Okay, and the next step while doing the reflection is, okay, we have to draw the perpendicular lines from each vertex that should be perpendicular with the mirror. We have to draw the line which passes through each vertex, and that should be perpendicular with the axis of the reflection. Okay, let's take the vertex A, and let's make the perpendicular line with this mirror. Okay, here I have just taken the vertex A, and through this vertex A, this line passes here. This line passes, and this is perpendicular with the mirror line. Okay, and uh, let's mark this distance from A to this point. Okay, from A to, okay, let me wait. Okay, let me mark the point here, point of the intersection of this point of these perpendicular lines. Okay, this is the point of the intersection. This is the point of the intersection of these perpendicular lines, and we have to take the distance AD, and we have to move to the opposite direction. AD, let's measure the length of AD, and we have to move in the opposite direction of the mirror. Okay, let me make the circle with the radius AD. Okay, let me make the circle. Okay, let me make the circle with the radius AD. Okay, let me make the circle. We have to just move to the opposite direction. Okay, this is the circle. Okay, this is the circle of the radius AD, and here the point of the intersection. Okay, let me mark the point of the intersection. This point. Okay, this point of the intersection of this circle and this line. Let's say this is the point. It is the image of this point A. Okay, so let's say it is the A dash, A prime. Okay, here this is the A prime. A prime is the point. It is the image of this vertex A. Okay, similarly, let's do the same thing for other vertices. Okay, let me take the next vertex as the B, and let's make the perpendicular line. Okay, this is the perpendicular line. We have to mark that point of the intersection first. Okay, let's say this is the point E, and by taking the BE as the radius, we have to draw a circle. Okay, let me make the circle by taking BE as the radius. Okay, let me just make the circle. Let's make a circle by taking BE as the radius. Okay, BE is the radius, and we have to mark that point of the intersection. Okay, let me mark the point of the intersection. This point of the intersection is just the point, image point of this vertex B. Okay, let me rename this is the B prime. This is just the B prime. Okay, here we have just mark A prime and B prime, and let's do the same thing for the point C. Okay, first of all we have to draw the perpendicular line that passes through the point C and perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, here, and we have to just mark the point of the intersection. Let's say this is the okay, let me mark the point of the intersection. Okay, this F point, and we have to just take the radius of CF. Okay, let's take the radius of the CF, and we have to make the circle. Okay, let me take the CF is the radius. Okay, and we have just made the circle, and the point of the intersection. Okay, let me mark the point of the intersection. Here this line intersection at this point. Okay, this is just the, and this point is just the C dash. Okay, it is the image of this vertex C, so this is just the C prime. Here we have finally, okay, let me zoom here. We have finally obtained the A prime, B prime and C prime, and the very final step is just connecting these points. Okay, let me connect these A prime, B prime and C prime. Okay, A prime to B prime to, okay, let me undo it. We have to just connect these points A prime, B prime and C prime. Okay, let me connect these from A prime to B prime, and from B prime to C prime, from B prime to, okay, let me just connect. We have to just join these points. Okay, from B prime to C prime, and from this A to, okay, let me connect that. Here it is not properly connected. Okay, just connecting these points, just connecting C to this point. Okay, here, and this is the, here this unshaded, this is the shaded port, the shaded object is the pre-image, and this unshaded is the image of this object ABC is just this A prime, B prime and C prime. Here we have just reflected, here we have just reflected this triangle ABC with this mirror y equals to x line, and here the image is formed. Image is just triangle A prime, B prime and C prime. This is just the triangle. Okay, finally let me unhide these unnecessary parts, unnecessary drawing. Here the unnecessary drawings are circles. We can hide this circle. Okay, let me hide this circle. Okay, and then we will finally, okay, let me hide these circles. Just hiding these circles. Okay, okay, this is the final drawing. Here we have just finally reflected this object triangle ABC by y equals to x mirror. Okay, and the image is formed here A prime, B prime and C prime. This is just the image, and here by the reflection the object distance and the image distance are equal from this mirror. In our next video we will discuss more about such types of the drawings. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.